What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to ask you, how would you like to be able to take a selfie and get paid? Well, you can. I'm going to show you the app, and it's on Android and it's on Apple, so don't worry, you are covered. But this site is called Pay Your Selfie. Here it is right here, all right? Take a selfie, get paid. Let me show you how it works, and then let me give you a couple tips so you can make more money. Okay, yeah, it's on Google Play, on the App Store, it's everywhere. So here is a quick little rundown of how it works, all right? And all you got to do is go to payyourselfie.com, and you can sign up for this. You can do all that. You can read more of what I'm showing you here, or get it on your phone. That's going to be the best way to do it. So first thing you do is you select a selfie survey. What do those look like? Well, they look like this, all right? So you pick which one you want to do. Do you want to do a profile shot, the classic selfie? You want to take a picture of yourself and your home? Cool, do that. That pays you 50 cents. What lies below? You take a picture of stuff underneath your kitchen sink. Now, when you click on these, they're going to have certain things that you have to do. They have to be accomplished, such as lighting. Maybe it has to have a certain product in the picture. For example, if it's your home, maybe they want to see that your landscaping is completely green, not like you have rocks in your front yard, all right? Shavers and groomers, facial hair selfie for the guy. It could be they want two pictures. They want the before and after. They want to see, okay, what shaver are you using? Stuff like that. That is the very simplest way to put it. Here's another one. Sorry for the blurry picture. Had to blow it up a little bit so you can see it better, but a groupie. Okay, your groupie, a selfie with a group. It could be anywhere. Maybe movie night. Okay, what movie are you watching? Okay, you're over there, your whole group, maybe yourself. You go up there, take a picture. Okay, click it. There you go. You're good to go. A shopping selfie. All these little things will add up and help you make some money. All right, because once you take that selfie and it's approved, okay, it has to be approved by the whoever is paying you, okay? It has to be approved, but once you reach $20, they will send you a check. It's that simple. Now, here's one thing I just want to say is that I do not personally use this app, okay? I don't take a lot of selfies, okay? So I don't really use it. Now, I have a sister-in-law. She's only 19 years old. She takes pictures a lot, okay? She's always on her phone, you know, Snapchat, Instagram, whatever. She's always doing something. So in the past 3 months, she's made about $190, okay? Like I said, she's always taking pictures. So she takes a picture of whatever. She finds it something that she can actually use it for. So such as, let me show you really quick. Okay, let's go back to the pictures. Such as, you know, a traveling selfie. You know, when we went on a small little family vacation, she took hundreds of pictures. She found the best one that she liked, and she uploaded it. She made, I think, $1 at that time. Okay, this one's 50 cents. But there's so many things. Okay, what lies below, your winter. When we went snowboarding, she took a bunch of pictures of that too. And so she found a picture and she used it, all right? Like I said, she's been doing this, she's been only in this for like 3 months, all right? So it's not like the most, glamorous thing. It's not going to make you a millionaire, but could you make an additional, $50 a month, $1 a day, $2, $3 a day? Yeah, you can. But you have to go out there, put in the work. You have to take those selfies. So if you're like me, you don't take a lot of selfies. This is probably not the type of business you want to get into. But if you absolutely love taking selfies, you're always on your phone. You don't care, what people, because I don't like stopping in the middle of a mall or a store and take a selfie. That's not what I do. Okay, so for me, it doesn't work. But I wanted to show you guys this because I've seen a lot of people, they waste the pictures on their phone. I do it as well. I'll go out on some, great vacation, take a bunch of pictures, take videos, and do all this stuff, and I don't post them anywhere because they're for me. But if you like to post them and you don't want to sell them on some photo sharing site, you don't want to sell them on payyourselfie.com, that's fine. Okay. But if you want to make a little extra side income, a little bit of money, it's not going to make you a millionaire, but will pay a little bit of your bills here and there. Pay Your Selfie is a great website and app that I highly recommend. So if you guys have any questions on it, go to payyourselfie.com. Don't ask me. I don't have a whole lot of information on this. All I know is my sister-in-law has used it and it works extremely well. Okay, she has been paid. She's definitely not breaking the bank here, but she's making money. So any of you guys are between 18 and 25, 30 years old, love taking selfies, or maybe you're older and love taking selfies, all that matters is that you love taking selfies and that you're willing to put in the work. That's it. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.